we took a ride on the Glacier Express. Known as the world's most relaxed and slowest express train, starting from Chur, Switzerland. During the journey, we crossed tons of bridges and countless tunnels, passing by famous spots like the Landwasser Viaduct and the Rhine Gorge. We even got the chance to hop off the train to take in the stunning views. On board, we savored delicious Swiss dishes. And we sipped on local wines and beers. We took some unforgettable photos. The scenery is just unbelievable. The total length of the ride is about 8 hours. So we were really immersed in the beauty of God-made nature. And we sat back, relaxed, reflected, and were awed. The train's leisurely pace allowed us to truly soak in the magnificent scenery and landmarks. There was so much to see. This video only captures a fraction of our adventures. Finally, we reached the charming town of Zermatt.